So Insta360 X3 can record 360 videos, and probably that's how most people are gonna use it for. But did you know that this camera can also record a standard regular 4K videos? This mode is called single lens mode, which basically allows you to record a normal 4K or 2.7K video using only one lens of the camera. The question for today is, how good is the quality of it when you compare it to GoPro Hero 12 Black? So in today's video, guys, I prepared a video quality comparison between Insta360 X3 and GoPro Hero 12 Black. So if you're curious about single lens mode, this is how it looks like. So let's try to summarize it all now. So I think that the 4K single lens mode is pretty good. It may be not as sharp as on a GoPro Hero 12 Black, but don't forget that with just one single camera you can capture 360 content and a regular 4K video. In a way, you could say that you have like two cameras in one. And as far as the colors are concerned, I think that X3 is more vibrant. The colors, especially the blues in the sky, are like more pleasant to the eye. But GoPro, on the other hand, looked more natural and managed to capture a scene how it looked like in real life. Insta360 X3 truly shines when it comes to 360 videos. You can capture everything around you and simply enjoy your activity. So you don't have to worry so much about framing your shot. It's perfect for capturing third-person view perspective, drone-like shots, and travel shots or other creative content for your social media. So altogether, I think that Insta360 X3 single lens mode might come in handy if you just want to capture a couple of extra scenes for your video. However, for all the other scenarios when you can record your video, I'll rather stick to 360 content, because you can capture so much more. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.